Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. AstroAI Windshield Cleaner, car windshield cleaning tool inside with 4 reusable and washable microfiber pads and extendable handle auto glass wiper kit, blue. Intimate combination, the car windshield cleaner with a detachable handle, can be disassembled into halves for storage. It comes with 4 PCS washer towels, one more than others, and one 60 ml spray bottle. Fast and easy to clean auto windshield, clean car window interiors and exteriors without straining. No more hurting your back. With the extra long extension handle, longer than others, and bigger pivoting head, getting to those hard-to-reach car window bases is simple. Multiple applications, works well as a fog and moisture removal tool. Use the car cleaning kit in your car, hard-to-reach windows in your house, television, glass screens, glass mirrors, and even floors. Good for all size cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. Great design car window cleaner, a washable microfiber pad with good water absorbability. There is absolutely no streaking nor lint left behind. Thanks for watching and subscribe.